She's brutal.
She didn't see that. Can you even see through that video?
A little. Oh no.
Maybe she won't see me. Come in, come in. You guys want ice cream?
Did you see our...
Oh my god, I want to kill Brandon. I just saw her stomach. Pink did it. Yeah, like this piece.
Oh, you mean this piece? Okay.
Anyways, let's talk, friends. I got Rocky Road ice cream. I got chocolate chip ice cream.
Oh, why is it wet?
Don't know. Why is it wet?
I don't
Sorry,
know.
that was in the morning. I kind of let it out.
Oh.
No, it's probably because
Puberty.
I think it was the water that was like on there. Trust me, it's something bad, but I know you're already grossed out. At least, no, at least I didn't. You didn't sit on pee like I did with your brother. Trust me, we don't pee. We don't have 3-year-olds that pee. So it's okay.
Yes, except for Nick.
But
He didn't tell you. He has a
Vagina.
that just recorded you saying that.
Yes, I know.
That's weird.
His voice popped. He's like, yes, I know.
No, seriously. I have Rocky Road ice cream and I have chocolate chip ice cream. Don't scare yourself. Just ask me. Whoa, Nick. Let's not get serious here. No, seriously, you guys want some ice cream?
What kind?
I just said it the third time. Chocolate chip, Rocky Road.
What's Rocky Road?
Actually, I want to try Rocky Road.
Face mixed together with ice cream? I don't know. But it must be really good.
Yeah. And it'll have a little bit of malaria, which gives it an extra touch.
Where's the noise coming from?
This guy.
See that?
Upstairs?
Did I tell you guys a story when they seriously made me, like, they kept me up all night? Like, well, not all night, but, like, forever? Because they had, like, blasting music on?
No.
Remember how I said the chair was vibrating? Yeah, it's because of that.
Oh, that was another reason.
Yeah. I don't want to know, dude.
It has to do with you anyway, so I think you don't need to know.
Do I sit on this placemat or do I just...
Yeah, see? Why am I doing this? You guys are just my friends. Like, what the heck? Do I have to, like, please you in every way with ice cream? I don't... Okay. This is not for you then.
What is that white stuff?
Marshmallow?
Ew. Ew. I nominate Mallory! Okay,
Do
this.
like that. Dance while you... Spanking it so... Hurry up! We're gonna use...
That's disgusting.
Sorry! We're gonna use not just any franks, but jumbo franks. Jumbo, the way you like it. That's why I buy a whole pack. What do you expect? Can I eat this? No, you can't. Present. When Mother gets in a fight with like her husband, she's gonna cry like this. She's gonna run out in the room. See this? We don't need any of that. Now we're Mexican. We don't put in the cajon. We put it in here.
I do too.
This.
Hers or mine?
You're like, we're Mexican. Wait, seriously, do you cook tacos in this?
No.
Hit her! Hit her! Hit her!
Oh, that means you're gonna have to wash a dish. Don't worry, it's just soup. That's in there.
Yeah, I'm at
Okay.
Hey, I feel like I'm at Abby's again.
Just kidding. Oh, and that's
Oh,
our
wait.
audience right there,
Oh.
Abby. Say hi.
Hi.
I'll say
Hi.
they're here to pick you up. The dumpster's
Oh, my trash man came too.
You can stop right now. You can
This is
stop
hot.
right now. Excuse me? Anyways.
Oh, there's like flower designs on here.
Now if you buy
Wash
more
the
memory cards,
freaking
how many
pen.
more?
Este domingo.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Este domingo te empieza.
Hey, can I go on the internet? Wait, do you? You still do, right? Keep watching. Wait, that's my song.
No one cares.
Okay, we found our radio station, so we're ready to cook. Okay.
Do you have a memory card?
Do you want to dance with me?
I need a
Yeah,
memory
I was
card.
gonna ask that.
I want to dance.
Mallory, dance with me.
No.